Hey bugs, so today I want to show you my little fidget toy. We're calling these things the cool beans. This looks like a cool bean. Now these are like little rolling fidget toys that can roll and you can do stuff. I'm not very good with them yet, but we're making them and selling them. Now this is one with weights and this is one without. This one's $8 and this one is no weight for $6. Look how look how good that rolls. And it can spin. Not very long because it's just wood without a bearing. Yep. Get them now while they last. Digis. Cool bunch.